So the Camaro update, that's what this video is. Ain't been much going on as we've been waiting for sheet metal to come in. And if anybody knows, sheet metal is actually getting kind of hard to get. And this is what we got. We got a brand new trunk lid. It looks extremely good. It comes very well packaged. And they ain't a dent one in this trunk lid. It actually looks pretty good. I'm hoping the fitment is great. It did come with the trunk upper catch, which is a great feature. Sometimes you can buy a trunk lid and it won't come with that, and you have to use a lot of the old hardware. The quarter skins did come in. This is basically the sections we need. Right here, up to here. And we can use the rest as patch metal, because we're going to keep most of the OEM quarter that we can. I would skin the whole car, but I'd rather just not have that big seam going down it. This is the other quarter panel. It looks very good too. I might actually hold one of these quarter panels up just to give you guys a view of what it looks like, and show you exactly how its conversion is going to semi-look. So this is not a perfect fitment of it, it's just to give you a visual idea of what we got going on. Now this is a half quarter skin, and if you can see, we do get a tail light marker here, which is a good thing. We do get this section too that curves up and over, and if you look in the back here, all we have to do is pretty well line this out right here, just that little section. Actually, once it's pushed all the way up, it'll probably line out straight and match perfect. But all in all, a 70s quarter is going to look pretty good on this car. I guess the next step in the build will be removing this back bumper here, because we don't need it no more. And then getting ready for the tail panel fitment, cutting this where we need it. I probably will cut it straight down here under its body line, come over to about right here, because this is bad on this Camaro. I put this whole section in. I would put the whole quarter on it, guys, flanges, but I want to keep as much of the OEM metal as I can, and I really don't like having a big seam, welded seam all the way down the side of the car. But you know, I might change my mind before then, because it does need a patch up front here. And it might be a whole less work, me just putting the whole quarter panel on this side and then doing the other side that way. Don't know yet. You got any suggestions? Leave them in the comments below. Which way would you rather see? Me just slicing the ass or putting the whole quarter on? I mean, it ain't gonna be hard to do if we did do the whole quarter. I mean, we just fit it just like this, and some sheet metal screws to hold it in place while we cut it out, and get a template and a couple test fits, and getting it fitting all flush, drilling the spot welds out of the old panel, peeling the old and on off. I mean, it ain't gonna be hard to do. Put the whole quarter on. I actually did 70s quarters last year on a car. It actually was a 73 Camaro, which had the smaller back window. I mean, you can do one side in a day. Maybe not finishing it up in body work, but you can get it fitted and everything in a day. So if you're excited to see this, you know, let me know down below. Thank you for watching this update video. I hope you enjoyed. And I will have very detailed instructions of how I do this and all that good stuff in the coming videos. And test fitting trunk panels and all that good stuff. So that's something to stay tuned for if you fixing to do one of these on one of your cars, or if you're thinking about it. So hope you enjoyed this update video.